Essential oil inhalers are on the rise, y'all. They are gaining a lot of popularity right now, and you'll see a lot of big name manufacturers are increasing their production of inhalers. They say that what inhalers do is they allow you to inhale in the essential oils that you want to in that particular moment without exposing the whole world to the scent. So it's really a private moment just for you and your inhaler. Let's take a moment just to look at the different components of the inhaler. So we have this part. This is called the wick. This is where the essential oils go. You have a cap. So after you fill the wick with oils and you put it inside here, you close it off with the cap. And then this is two parts here. This is the cover, so that comes off, and this is the inhaler. Okay. So you just screw that on and off. Okay. So that's the whole shebang, all 4 pieces. So here's where we're gonna start. Inhalers, again, are also easy to make, and you can definitely create these for your friends and give them out as gifts. I included in the It's Essential notebook, I included some inhaler blends for you to try. I encourage you to get creative with your blend. So if you create your own blend, you can definitely use that. The blends in the notebook have labels that accompany them, so you could use those labels as you see fit. So let's get started here. So we're gonna use a glass plate or a glass bowl for this. The reason being that the glass is non-porous, and so the essential oils won't get trapped into the glass, so that you can wash the glass and reuse it for whatever else you need to. If you don't have a glass plate or a glass bowl, then grab something that's disposable. So we're gonna take our essential oils, and you can use whatever scent you want, just to, reiterate that. And we're gonna put 8 to 10 drops in our bowl. Okay, so that's 10 drops. I'm now gonna use my tweezers with my wick, and I'm gonna drop that wick in there, and I'm gonna roll this around. Maybe I'm gonna roll it around. There we go, it's rolling now. Till I want it to soak up all those essential oils. Okay. Now I'm going to take my tweezers, because I don't want to touch these essential oils with my bare hands. I'm dropping them in, I'm dropping my wick in there. Adding the cap onto the bottom. Making sure that it snaps. If this was off, then I want to make sure I put the cover back on it. I would add my label to the cover, and that's it, all done. How you use it: you take your inhaler, you stick this close to your nostril, like right under your nostril, close to your nostril. Take 2 deep breaths in each nostril, and then put your cover back on. You can, every once in a while, if you're worried about like germs or something like that, wipe this down with alcohol. And that's it. This should last for about a month or so, maybe longer, depending on how many times you take the cap on and off of it. Once you don't smell the scent anymore and it dries out, you can do this. You can repeat the process. So you can get a bowl again, put some more essential oils in it, roll it around, and put it back in, and you can keep using this for a long time.